Happy video day, guys. Christina, Brooke here. Today we are going to be doing a glamified, very dramatic eye look using a collection that Kaleidos sent over to me that I've been saving to do this look, but I needed like time to really focus on creating this look. So tonight I had a lot of time to play with this collection from Kaleidos that they sent over to me. So this is more of their dramatic collection. I'll write the name on the screen because honestly I don't even have the PR slip that they sent over to me of what it's called, but it is such a cool collection. Beautiful. It actually reminds me of a very like sultry collection. Everything has lace on it. It's so beautiful. Packaging A+, like it is stunning, and I wanted to put it to the test since it is a sultry, very vampy collection. I wanted to see how vampy we can get, and this is the look that I created. So I'll be showing you guys all the products that came in this fun little package that they sent over to me, and I'll have everything linked down below in case you're interested in any of them, and we're gonna create this look. So if you're excited to see some vampy makeup, don't forget to hit subscribe, join the family, and let's get into it right now. All right, so we are zoomed in. I've got this little box of goodies here in front of me that was sent by Kaleidos that I want to dig into for today's video. So we're gonna do a smoky eye, hopefully, depending on what's in here. I think there's a bunch of fun stuff. So we've got blushes. Look at this packaging. Oh my God, did they kill it with this packaging? Oh, that's not a blush. It's the palette we're going to use. I wanna use this. So we're gonna do a smoky eye with this palette. And then what is this one? So this is another beautiful palette. Ooh, look at those colors. Do we go brown or black? I think we want to go black because we're going to do something really dramatic today. But man, I love this one. That is like more my zone, to be honest. This is more of the smoky eyes I like to do, but we are going to go a little bit more. Do we want to do this? Or do we want to go for the other one? I kind of want to go for the other one, but I think we'll go for the black. Okay, so then in here too, we've got dramatic lip colors, which we will play with as well. And then I think we even have a blush. Ooh, yeah, look at that blush. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Do these have names? I don't even see a name on them. And then in the last drawer, we have more blushes. Oh my gosh, look at these blushes. I can't get... Oh my goodness, look at these blushes. They're beautiful. What is this one? Oh my God, look at this one. That looks like the one from Pat McGrath that I keep raving about. That's like the same color. And then we have another one. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so we've got beautiful set of blushes here. Amazing looking palette. I am excited. The lipsticks. So let's start playing with some indie makeup. This is like so much more me than this. This is like cool. This is like me. Can we use both of them? Maybe we'll play with both of them. This one might not be smoky. Oh, will it be? Oh, that's gonna be pretty. Look at those colors. Okay, and the other one I think is a little grayish. Oh yeah, we've got gray, deeper gray, and a black. This one's reminiscent of like the Natasha Denona palette. And then this one reminds me more of like the smoky eyes I like to do, but I do like to use a black. Let me show you the two metallic. So this is the metallic, this is the gray metallic and the bronzy brownish one. Ooh, that one is not as fun as this one. Wow. Okay, I'm very confused on what I want to do because I want to play with both of these palettes. I only got one eyeball. I've got two eyeballs. Quick little observation there, guys. I've got two, not one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with this one, okay? We're going to play with this one and maybe we'll add in the other one. So let's start with this color here. Let's put that down first as a base color. It's so pretty already. Framing how I want my eye. I'm gonna do something really smoky. At least I can give you guys a better idea of how this black works and stuff. So we'll get the black. Let's put the black down. No base. We're just gonna play with the black on its own. Wow, that is a pigmented black. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Okay, black coming through. Holy cannolis. Okay, let's go into the deepest brown here and blend upward. Look at that, brown to black. All right, let's blend this up. Let's grab the light brown again. Oh, we just went ham with that black. Let's grab a little bit of like this brown here, bring it on the lower lash line. Let's grab this one here. Let's blend them. All right, so now let's go ahead and grab a little bit of this. Let's put that in the center. Cool. Very dirty fingers. All right, let me go ahead and put some liner, mascara, finish off the smokiness of this eye, and then we're gonna play with some lips and some blush. Give me 1 second. All right, so here are the finalized eyes. I think they came out really cool. A little blending action. We had to work a little there. Like a little side note, if you have small eyes like me that go down, what I like to do is I always put a wing and I make sure to bring my eyes up. And also, since my eyes are small, I bring my eyeshadow higher than it's supposed to be in order to create more visually bigger eyes, and also so you guys can actually see what's going on the top. But let's play with blushes. Do we want to play? I guess we won't do the one that I think looks like Pat McGrath, just because I already have that one, right? I have something so similar. Let's do, why don't we do something peach? Ooh, look at that color. That could be kind of cool, right? That could be cool. Let's do that. Always wear the same color blushes, but this one looks like super summer fun. Ooh, cute. Wow. Hey, Indie Makeup has really been killing it with their blush formula. That is pretty. Look at that. Oh my God, I kind of love this. Wow, that's such a pretty color. I wish I knew what name it was. Wow. If I could find the name online, I would go ahead and list it. But I'm also going to include the swatches of all of them for you guys. But ooh, I like that. That looks gorgeous. Okay. I'm a fan of those blushes. Let's try the lip products. Okay, we got a bunch of different colors here. Don't know what I want to go with. We've got a brownish color. That could be kind of cool. Also have this color, which is also brown. This one, ooh, this one looks like a prism. Oh, I think I might use this color. And then this one here, vampy red. Oh God, do I want to go red? Let's do this one because this is such a weird color. They really have such a good formula. Look at that. How cool is that? Let me go ahead and fix my lip line really quick. That looks so cool. All right, and there we go. Here is the full face of makeup. I personally probably would go for a lighter lip. I don't even know, should I change this to a lighter lip? Yeah, I think we're gonna switch this out to a lighter lip, but look at how pretty that lip color is. Just with these eyes, I want something a little lighter. Let's go lighter. Let's play with a lighter lip color just to complement that dark eyeshadow just a little bit. Let's try this one. I think that's gonna complement this a lot better. Let me go ahead and line the lips and finish this off. Give me 1 second. Here we go, final face of makeup using the Kaleidos. I don't really know what the name of this collection is, but I'm kind of obsessed. And I really like this lip color, so this one's really pretty. It comes in this box here, and I wonder if the name, if it actually has a name. Does it have a name on it? Yes, it does. It's called Skinship. Cool name. So this is what it looks like. I think everything came out really beautiful, and I really like this blush. So kind of excited. All right, so you guys saw it. Here's the final face of makeup. What do I think? What are my favorites? I have to say these eyeshadow palettes are good, okay? Like I test a lot of high-end makeup, I would say, and these are up there. Like I think that these are better than any Dior quad I've ever tried. This is very pigmented. Did you see the way that black went on the lids? Like that is insanity. These are so, so good. So I would highly, highly recommend you check out these. These are really good. The blushes are beautiful, okay? So the one that I put on today, absolutely gorgeous. Never thought that I would like that color, to be honest. It's very, very peachy toned. I actually thought that, I'll try it. Maybe I won't love it, but this is so pretty. This is like a neon peach and it looks beautiful with this like smoky eye. Kind of obsessed, so in love with it. So I'm kind of loving all of these products. I just cannot get over how pretty they are. So I think that the blushes, the eyeshadow is insane. And I think you guys know that I really love their lip formula. They have like this really nice moussey formula. The colors are also really pretty. I feel like it just depends on what color you want to purchase. But this one that I have on today, Skin Ship, I think is a perfect color for a dramatic eye. It's not super skin-like that it's too much, like it's way too nude. And then of course the one that I put on before, which I thought was beautiful too, was called Cognac, and it's also stunning. I just personally would like to wear it with less eye makeup because it's a little bit on the vampier side. And I feel like this collection just has beautiful, beautiful products. I have to give it to Kaleidos. This might be one of my favorite collections I have tried from them. I'm actually really sad that I didn't get to try this even faster because this is really, really good, and I want to start using these palettes and these blushes all the time like that. So anyways, this was a very, very successful try for Kaleidos. Let me know down below if you guys tried this collection or if you were eyeing it, but I have to give it, like, yeah, this was really good. So anyways, don't forget to hit subscribe if you have not already. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.